In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest in Notion. If you are collaborating on a document, a task list, or a project hub, inviting someone as a guest lets them view or contribute without giving them access to your entire workspace. I'll guide you through the exact flow and share a few practical tips so you can share confidently and keep your content secure. Start by opening the specific page you want to share. This could be a regular page, a subpage inside another page, or even a database page. Make sure you are on the correct page and in the correct workspace. And give the page a quick review to confirm it contains what you actually want your guest to see. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Share button. This opens Notion's sharing panel, which is where you control who can access this page and what they can do with it. Think of this as your command center for permissions. In the sharing panel, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Take a moment to double-check for typos to avoid sending access to the wrong person. When you invite someone by email, Notion sends them a notification so they can open the page directly. If they're new to Notion, they'll be guided through setting up what they need to view the page. Before you send the invite, choose the appropriate permission level from the drop-down menu. Can View lets your guest read the page but not make any changes. Can Comment allows them to leave feedback without editing content. Can Edit gives them the ability to modify the page, which is great for close collaborators. Full Access is the highest level, allowing them to edit and also manage sharing. So use it only when you fully trust the person with ownership level control. Pick the option that matches the level of involvement you want your guest to have. When everything looks right, click Invite. That's it. Your guest will receive the invite and will appear in the access list for that page. This is a good moment to mentally confirm that only the intended person has access and that the permissions reflect your needs. Clear permissions help maintain accuracy, accountability, and privacy. To recap, open the page, click Share. Enter the email, choose the permission level that fits, and click Invite. With these steps, you'll share exactly what you intend to exactly who needs it, with the right amount of control. Thanks for watching.